What is up? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, obviously by the title and thumbnail, we are getting this Mercury 225 onto my 6 meter half cab. We're gonna be mounting that today, which is exciting. So I do have a few things to do. I've got to clear out the area, and my plan of attack is to swing the boat around, back it up pretty close to that, and use a engine hoist. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Shoo-wee! If you didn't watch our last video, we painted the Mercury. Turned out all right. Okay-ish. So we got the hydro foil mounted as well, brand newy. And I ended up ordering some things like tilt switch. I am having trouble trying to find the rubber cowling seal. I got the other half, but the other half I don't have, so I've got to find that. Plan is to have it on the boat, right, this week, and when everything comes in next week, have that started, because I want to, start it. So there's gonna be videos every week coming out from now on. Once that thing's started, a few more little wiring up here to do inside the cab, a bit more wiring to do. And then we get to go test her out and get some of these adventures on the way, some of these sick videos coming out. I can't wait, man. When this thing's running, we're gonna be pumping out videos left, right, and center. So I hope you guys enjoy them. Thanks for watching, kids. Let's just get into it. All right, let's move all this crap that someone's left here. Lazy buggers, silly old geezer, and let's get into it. Shall we? Oh, she's hooked up. That was a fair effort sitting out there in the winter. All the water going into the jolly, what is that called? Jolly wheel? Jockey wheel? So I gotta grease all that up. I might have a cover over that. It's been set for so long I haven't even used it. The only problem about this is, so I thought I was smart by building this whole barn. I think it works out to be like 3.5 meters up there. But it's a little bit small, this tub. I got to fold it because the top of the rocket launcher does scrape it, so I got to be careful on that every time I pull it out. So I got to work something out. I got to fix some things. I've been hibernating in this winter, man. It's shocking. But now the nice weather's coming and my blood is finally flowing. So we are going to get some things done. So let's start. Mate, just shush and hurry up and do your work. Alright, let's try and have a squiz at this. You'll see what I mean. You will see. Oh, there goes the antenna. Oh, I can barely... Yeah, no, that's going to rip off for sure. It's only just... It's got some slack, but I'm just too scared. Too scared. So I'm going to nail that up for sure. Might do that today, although it's got no motor on it, so it's sitting higher, the whole boat itself on the trailer. So once the motor's down on it, it's going to weigh down a lot more, and hopefully you can just get around that. But I reckon I could just nail that up there somehow, dodgy it up a bit. Shoo-wee! How good that looks. Oh, hey, snap doodle. Let's see what's going on back here. All right, pretty close. We need to drive it forward. Oh, what I've got to do actually is lift it up, take it off the frame, and then back that to it. That's what I've got to do. So we'll leave it as it is. Let's hoist this up and then back it up. That's way better idea. Let me switch off this car because diesel at the moment with all these new liters. Bloody making prices so much. All right, let's pull this jack out and lift this up. No, we'll talk way too much. All right, let's drag this thing out. Alrighty, that was a workout for sure. So that's done. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Still on the stand, a little bit of tension, not much, nothing crazy. What I'm gonna do, before I even lift this thing up, because I don't trust this, It's dodgy. It's hillbilly. And I'm a goddamn redneck. I'm going to clean this off. I'm going to give that a little bit of clean of where it's going to kind of sit. Get the old silicone adhesive off. Usual. And then get my silicone ready. I'll show you what I'm running. Let's grab up the car now and I'll show you. Just prep everything basically. Well, not basically, I am. Basically? I don't know. Alright. I've got this is what I'm using, what I'm running. Adhesive sealant, very strong. This is the exact same stuff I used when I had the 115 Suzuki on there. Never had an issue. It was only on there for maybe 6 months or so, but it never had an issue. So I'm running it again. I'm going to run a bit more this time because there's a bigger motor. And what you got to do, I'll show you as I run through it, but you want to load up everything and then I'll squirt all the holes I'm not using either. We're just going to load it up. So let's clean this off. Let's get that ready on the gun. Knife ready so I don't have any troubles. Get a rag, clean all this off, make it look nice again. I do have to paint this pod again. I'm going to use some same paint as what I was using for that, some 2-pack. That seems to work fantastic. Obviously different color. Could go black, that could look cool, but I reckon I'll leave it like that. Cool. I've just gone over with a scraper. Pretty simple. Get all the loose stuff off. Make it smooth. All the old silicone. And then that's it. So what I could do, jack her up, get it aligned perfectly, then I'm going to drop it onto the pod, see if the lines line up, which they should, as every outboard should line up, but let's just double check everything, maybe sit it on the pond and see if you can actually hold it. Then after that, jack her up again, pull her away, put a lot of that adhesive and back on it goes. Just want to double check everything before you get adhesive everywhere and make a mess of this. So we'll give it a go. I'm definitely going to have to pull forward and come back, but we'll see. Let's go, eh? Alrighty, please don't break. Please don't break. Please don't break. Where are you? Alright, it's off. Let's try to stop that swinging a little bit. Let's move this stand out of the way. Oh man, that's sketchy. That's very sketchy. Don't do that at home, boys. Alright, let's back this up a smidge. Alright. Well, let's see what I've done here. Could work. Could definitely work. Yep, we're gonna have to jack it up a bit higher. Man, this is sketch. Let me put you down here. We're going to bring the car back a smidge. Alright, that could work. That's good news. All the bolts line up. So So let's jack it back up, run a heaps of adhesive, and let's get this thing on. I'm itching. How good does that look? I thought it would look too big for the boat, but I think it looks perfect. Spot on. I'll grab the camera and show you guys what I've done, but I'll put it on both the engine and the pod to make sure. Alright, so my phone died. Don't know when, but as I was installing this, I made a mess of it a little bit. Anyway, I'll show you. But yeah, it's everywhere. I'll try to clean that up once it's set. You know, both sides. Made a mess, huge mess, but I'll clean that up. Check this out. Watch this. Trust me. Watch. We stand back 20 odd meters. Check that out. Sweet. Now that's a unit. Now it fits the boat proper. It's a big motor for sure. Huge motor. Probably too big, but how good. How good. So now we're just gonna be waiting on controls, running the electrical. We got hydraulic steering as well. I'm gonna try to sort out, because I would love to have hydraulic on here. If not, then I could always just sell it, and I don't know. We're gonna try to get it on. But there she is. So it turned out well. Bit of a mess, but what do you get? I'm a hillbilly and I'm working at home. So from far, actual suits the boat pretty good. It's definitely big. I think that's just going to be the end of the video, I reckon. I don't have much more to show you besides me parking the boat back into its spot, putting away all my tools, and waiting for some new parts. While I wait, I will probably get into the boat, start doing more wiring, get all that sorted so I don't have as much on my hands when everything else comes. See if I can get hydraulic set up. I don't know. I'll have to dig through that box and see what they've got there, and just kind of crack down on this thing. I don't even know why I've got fishing rods in the boat. We don't even go fishing. Man, I love this thing. I did end up checking, because it's roughly about 60 kilos more than the 115 I had on there. So about 60 kilos roughly. I thought it would be tail heavy, because I did have to move the axles back a little bit previously. Now I went to go lift it and it turns out spot on. It's still heavy. Plus we've got a tank going in the cab over there as well. So that's coming in, that's getting done soon. So once that's done, run lines. So it's all balanced pretty good. I don't think it'll be tail heavy out in the water, but we'll see. If anything, add more weight to the front. You know, you still got your winch going on at the front, you still got your rail, you still got a few more other things to go at the front anyway, which will help it out. All right, that's it from me and the catching moments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Give me a week. Thanks. Bye.